If you love pizza as much as I do, then you're going to be fired up about the brand new hybrid multi-fuel pizza oven by Coyote Outdoors. This oven will allow you to cook with multiple fuels right out of the box. Set it on a fire-safe countertop, install the flue, and you are ready to go. You can use wood, liquid propane, natural gas. You can cook how you want, when you want, and you can get the results with pizza like you've never had before. The two-piece insulated chimney is easy to inset, and it's just a friction hold on the mount. Installing the spark arrestor is just as easy. The insulated chimney controls that heat up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and the seamless domed construction, that focuses all that heat energy deep into the core. The high heat 441 stainless at the mouth controls the heat and prevents scarring on the dome. The carbon fiber cool touch handle allows you to single-handedly control the door and remove it for ease of use. The external read thermometer measures temperatures inside of up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The hybrid multi-fuel pizza oven is a versatile cooking tool. With 15 inches at the mouth, you can see inside. You've got plenty of room for pizzas, but also all your favorite dishes. Inside, you'll see FDA-approved bricks, and what that means is you can cook on top of the surface directly. This is a unique feature. It's the burner cover. In place when you're using gas, but when you're using wood, it increases your cooking surface area. A key feature that only Coyote has. Made of stone and wrapped in 441 stainless, the burner cover is easy to insert. The hybrid multi-fuel pizza oven is ready to use out of the box in more ways than one. Coyote made sure to give you 4 essential tools so that you can start on day one. The first is the ash brush. Now, this is used before cooking, and it's used to keep the surface of your stones clean and clear. You can also use the scraper to remove any excess food that may have burnt on. The coal rake is essential because it allows you to reach inside the pizza oven, move coals and wood around, and control the temperature of your fire and location of your fire with ease. The pizza peel is a familiar tool, and you'll see that it's skeletonized to reduce the total amount of surface area so that you don't get sticking. This will allow you to prepare the pizza, deliver it into the mouth of the oven, and also pull it out when it's finished. The turning peel is a handy tool, obviously, when you're making pizza, allowing you to turn the pizza to those white-hot coals or towards the gas flame where you're really getting that heat. But it also allows you to move around things like a cast iron pan or casserole dish or anything you have inside the oven. With all the tools essential for success, 31,000 BTUs of power and only 160 pounds, this belongs in your backyard. You'll entice family and friends for dinner all year long.